All right, here we are. Bam. Nice, huh? Check them out. Your playlist. You got to wash these things too before you use them, because who knows? I mean, I don't know where they came from. They could have germs on them.
So true.
So you want to get them clean. Wash them all up. I've already done all the small ones. So just got this last big one here. You're in my video, girl. Check you out. All right, so soap and water is all you need. Get them clean. Bam. All right, now we got them all washed. Now we can start putting food in them. All right, these babies are all been washed. We're gonna let them dry here, and then we're gonna start putting our food in there. We're not using plastic anymore. We're only using the glass. So my first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this avocado in here instead of having it in a stupid bag. Stick it in there and then put it in the refrigerator. All right, so I'm gonna get the pit out of it first. And then we're just gonna put it right in there like that. You see? And then we're gonna put the top on. And bam, look at that. No more plastic bags. Bam. Going in the refrigerator. Just like that.